All right, today I'm sitting on the new Emma Mattress. The Emma Mattress is a mattress that was first launched in the UK and has most recently come to the US. And this also features a German design, so you sort of have three different geographies in play here. I'm sitting on a king-size Emma mattress right now. Normally I'm on a queen, so the view may be a little different here, but Emma did send me a queen size. Now, a king size. A queen size retails for $999, so basically $1,000. But on their website right now, they have a 25% discount. And if you head over to sleepsherpa.com, you can always get the latest discounts there, plus a more in-depth review with pictures. But I just want to talk a little bit about this mattress, the construction, and what's going to separate it from the hundreds of other online brands out there on the marketplace today. Now, similar to most of these brands, the Emma mattress comes with a 100-night trial. So that's free shipping to you, 100 nights to try it out, and if you're not happy, it's a free return. So you're not out any money there, and that's pretty standard. It also comes with a 10-year warranty, so you have peace of mind knowing that you're covered should there be any defects with the mattress. And Emma is a very big name in the UK, so this isn't just necessarily a brand new company that's launched. They have quite a proven track record overseas. Now, in terms of feel and construction, this is a 12-inch mattress, 12 inches thick, and it's a 3-layer foam mattress. They use an open pored foam, and that leads me to believe it's an open cell foam on the top layer. So it makes it a much more breathable mattress than a typical dense foam mattress would be. You'll also notice that basically no motion transfer being all foam, but good recovery, and as you saw, even just a little bit of bounce. It almost mimics sort of like a latex on that top layer. That middle transition layer is a visco foam, so that's where you're going to get a lot of the pressure relief and support. And the base layer is a German engineered core foam layer where they actually drill holes through the core, and what that does is it helps even you out across the mattress. So it provides support and pressure relief where you need it the most. And that's a pretty innovative design, something that you're not going to see in most of these online brands. I think there's maybe one in Australia where I've seen that design, but this is the first one in the US that I've come across. And what we'll do is we'll show you a cross section, show you exactly what that looks like. Now, in terms of feel, I would say this one is a little bit on the softer side, so maybe like a medium soft. So great for side sleeping, but because of the core design, it is versatile enough for any sleep position. Stomach sleepers may find it just a tinge too soft, but you never know. It's certainly worth trying. Definitely side and back sleepers are really going to love the feel of it. Now, with this ball, obviously you do get some sink, but as you can see with my weight on it, it is a fair amount of sink that you get in the mattress. But like I said, great recovery too. This mattress was designed for optimal breathability. So even the cover is designed for maximum airflow, plus that open cell top layer that I mentioned, that's going to give you great airflow. And they even created a mesh side for air to flow out through the sides. Additionally, they've stitched handles on either side, so when you rotate the mattress, that's super easy. Or if you just need to transport it, it's very easy to do. So if we think about a $999 price point with that additional 25% off, you're looking at about $750 for a queen size out the door. And that puts it in a pretty competitive price range, just a bit more aggressive than I'd say the average price of around $800 for a typical queen size mattress. But what you're getting is a lot of innovation, and like I said, the proven track record that Emma has overseas. A lot of customer satisfaction. They put a lot of research, a lot of prototypes, and I think they've really refined the feel of this mattress to make it just an awesome feel. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We'll show you what the inside looks like and what to expect and how we would recommend it for your sleeping position and sleeping preference.